Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aarti. Today I'm going to do a video on the affordable brushes. You can find it on Indian market, not only on the affordable side but also on the good quality side. I got to know about this brand called Jessup. So they have these beautiful 15-piece brush set on Amazon. I've heard a lot of things about Jessup brushes, so I thought, okay, we have good Jessup brushes over here in India finally. So I thought, let's just give this a try so that if it works well, then it will be helpful for you guys also. It's not a first impression, obviously, because I've used these brushes a couple of times. You could have seen some videos tutorial. I've used these brushes. I'm gonna give my opinion about these babies. So you get 15 brushes in the set. It's not a proper packaging, you guys, because I kind of lost my packaging, but this is how it came in the pouch. Each brushes will have the separate net kind of cover so that the bristles are secured, and they also have a Jessup card over here, okay, in this place, and there'll be information about the brushes and everything. They also come in different color varieties, and also when I bought it, this was for 1,500 rupees. I mean, come on, that is such a steal for 15 brushes, that too for the good quality brushes. It is a steal, you guys. Let me just check it out right now for you guys on the website, how much they retail for. Girl, I got it for 1,500, but now they are for 1,250. Come on, you guys, this is steal. And the combination of black and gold has only 2 left in stock. Of each brushes type, so these bristles are extremely soft. They are synthetic, and this is wooden. This is metal part. Ferrule is metal and handle is wooden. I'll tell you, you literally have to feel it. They are super soft. None of them are pokey. So I washed these like a couple of times. I mean, I always use them and wash them before the next use. I always wash them because I can't stand dirty brushes. Most of the bristles are very intact, so there is less chance of this to get shed. Okay, the first brush I have is called the large powder brush. They do have name mentioned. I don't go by their brush's name, but if you are a very beginner and you don't literally have any idea to do what, then this will be helpful. We have large powder brush. Of course, as name suggests, you can use this brush for applying your powder. Otherwise, you can use it for bronzer, because bronzering is different from contouring. It applies really well, and since it's synthetic, it just picks up a lot more product, and it's also eventually distributes. That's what I really like about this brush. Second brush is the tapered face brush. So this is a tapered powder brush. This just say tapered face. You can use this for your powder, also for contouring, because they have point over here, right? You can use this for precise contour too. Like a tulip shape powder brush. I really love this kind of shape, you know. Next brush we have from the face category is the duo fiber powder slash brush. I won't use this for powder, you guys. This is a duo fiber. Obviously I'll use it for foundation. You can also use this for blush application, but I like to use this brush for foundation. They just apply and blend so seamlessly. I really recommend this brush. It's not that easy to find these kind of brushes in the market. Okay, the next brush I have from the face is the powder slash blush brush. Again, this is also another amazing brush. Especially for a blush brush, your bristles has to be just like this one. If you're using a pigmented blush, when you apply it on the cheeks, it has to distribute properly. It should not be concentrated on a single area. So this brush really helps to distribute it. And also you can use it for powder. If you have an acne concern like mine, it's a breakout going on, let's just ignore that. But for example, if I just want to, you know, concentrate a powder on that area particularly, so you can use a smaller brush instead of using a large brush, you know. Okay, next we have the tapered highlighter brush. They have written tapered highlighter. Of course, you can apply highlighter. You can also set your concealer. You can also use a contouring. Do a lot with this brush, you guys, and it's so amazing. Next we have a large fluff. I like to use to set your under eyes using powder, and also to set on the eyelid area. But I use today to blend out my concealer. You'll see in the demo. It's okay for cream products, but I will recommend to use powder with this one. The next brush we have large concealer. You can apply your concealer or foundation. You can dot and blend it using a brush, another brush. Or else you can set your concealer area using powder, eyelid. So this is something, again, a multi-purpose brush. Now moving on to the eye brushes. first brush is it's a tapered blending brush, and it's of a good quality. Use it for your transition color. And another blending brush we have, it's called the small tapered blending brush, which is in black. You will be seeing it in demo. These two are very nice brush. The one brush I was not very fan of is called blending, not a very proper precise shape, but I do like to use it on my eyes. Instead, I like to contour it using this brush for nose. So this is nice brush, but not useful for eyes. This is concealer brush. This is how it mentioned. So I use this brush to pack on concealer, but you can't blend with this though. But it is useful to apply your product. You can also use it for eyeshadow. It's not necessarily you have to use it for concealer. Synthetic brush it is, but still you can apply wet eyeshadows, pigments using these brush. The next brush we have short shader brush. I have a short brush. You can use it for smoking out, or you can also apply lid color using this. Since we don't have a proper shading brush in this collection, I use this to apply my shading eyeshadow. Next one we have flat definer. We don't have angular brush in this collection, so I use to fill in my eyebrows and also to smoke out the lower lash line. The second last brush is the small eyeliner brush. You get thick liner with this, not a very thin liner, but it's a nice brush. It's not the worst. Last brush is the lip brush. You have to open this to use, or else you can also place it in the back so that it will be a large brush like the other brush. It is perfect for traveling. Guys, so these are the 15 pieces brushes from Jessup. I give a double huge thumbs up. Not only for beginners, even for professionals, this is a good brush, For the price, the quality is amazing. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Share it with your friends. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you all soon in my next video. And before that, do follow me on my Instagram, guys. Okay? I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.